but in person, I'm just not sure. I wouldn't really wear this. Hey everyone, so as you know, I was in Japan a few days ago for a couple of weeks. I went to Kyoto and Tokyo. I wanted to vlog some really cool videos for you guys, so I do have some thrifting ones coming up very soon, but for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you how I got my first lucky bag or Fukubukuro. They're usually only sold during the holidays for Christmas, but I was lucky to get mine on a special day at La Ferrette. It was at a store called Sherry Mona, and I got mine for about $100, so we're gonna see if this is a fail or not. Oh my god, wow, it's been a long time. It feels so weird to film right now. I have my little Tamagotchi mug that I got from Barnes & Noble. Whenever the water gets really hot, it changes the shape of the face, and also it turns yellow. So I'll show you guys that in a different video, but for now, the coffee's cold. But let's get into this video. As you guys know, I am back from Japan. I came back a couple days ago and I'm breaking out because my sleeping schedule has been really bad. If I want me to make a video on like the realistic issues with traveling abroad or just traveling internationally or specifically to Japan, because let me tell you, the journey to get to the Airbnbs that we went to were crazy. Also, we ended up going during the humid season, which was the month of September. It just gets really humid, you guys. So I would definitely go during spring, which is like, I think, early May if you can, or mid-May. Also, I would have done this video differently if I had been by myself or I had a longer time in Japan, just because I went with 5 other people, and then also we were doing stuff constantly like all throughout the day, so I didn't really have time to film the rest of this video in Japan, but I did film me talking about the clothes. I got my first lucky bag. This is a big huge bag from this clothing company. I think it was called Sherry Mona. I basically bought this Fukubukuro, which is a lucky bag in Japanese. I bought this for $100 while I was there, and usually it's only during the holidays. During Christmas is whenever you get all of your lucky bags. I jumped on this one, and thank you to my friend Ariel Amazing Day. If you guys don't watch her channel, she vlogs from Korea and she also does Twitch. She's one of my really good friends, and she ended up filming me while I was in the store. Thank goodness I have this footage. The bags usually range from like $100 maybe to $200 to $300 depending on what's in there. They have bags like Adidas or Nike, just like different companies where you can just go to each store and get them. The lines can be extremely long, which I've heard during the holidays, because of course everyone's trying to get their lucky bag, and a lot of people here on YouTube make videos using the bags. And usually the prices are very good, so each piece can probably cost more than the bag. In my case, I had 3 pieces that did cost more than the actual bag itself. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video, and I'll go ahead and try on the outfits, and you will see footage of me from Japan talking about each piece and how much they cost. Stay tuned for the unboxing slash try on haul. So this is my first ever impromptu lucky bag video. I got a lucky bag from Sherry Mona. Literally, I'm in Japan right now. I'm in Tokyo, and they only have these during Christmas, so I was lucky enough to go ahead and get these, but they have it. So this lucky bag cost me around $100. I got 6 different items in here, so this is what it's looking like. Let's see if I was able to get $100 worth of stuff that I like. Ooh, this first piece. The first piece that I got, let's see what's in here. It seems to look like a dress. And they all have tags on them. So this dress is $120, 12,000 yen. So that's already more than the bag itself. It's got a zipper in the front. I'm also gonna model these off camera for you guys, but I just love the color of it. I love how it dips down. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this dress was very expensive and I don't like it on my body personally. I don't like how it has that mermaid look at the bottom. Some of y'all might feel differently. I just personally don't think it's flattering on me. But that's the thing that you get with these bags. You don't know what you're gonna get, so yeah. So it's funny how this dress is already the cost of the entire bag itself. Oh, this next thing I got is in a bag. I think this is a purse, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so this purse is $125. Holy crap. Okay, so this is really cute. This will go with everything, and I don't really carry around bags like this, but it's got a little thing on the side. It also comes in this little cute duster bag here. Winter coats. Wow. What is this? Oh, whoa, yeah, this is a coat. So, whoa. Okay, this coat costs $250. I'm not a huge fan of the material, but for winter, I guess I'd wear it. I like how the length is, but I'm not sure how the fit is going to be once I try it on. Definitely a lot more than the actual bag itself. It's like twice the amount, but I'm not sure I'm a huge fan of it. Okay, so it turns out the fit was not bad at all. Again, I still am not a fan of the material. It doesn't look as bad on camera, but in person, I'm just not sure. I wouldn't really wear this. I'm not sure if it's worth $250, but you know what? It was a good try. A nice brown color, I guess. The next piece, orange sweater, and it's $105. Cool, so it's like a cloth sweater and it has a hoodie on it, which is really cute. And yeah, it says it's $105. So this is adorable. I like this so much. I'm definitely gonna wear this for winter. I thought things would be off season because the bag is like super cheap. The sweater is actually really good quality. I like how it has a hood to it, and I'm gonna be definitely wearing this a lot. I probably will tuck it into some jeans that I have, or maybe a skirt. It has a pretty good size to it. Also, you guys, I have to say that the material on this sweater is super, super nice. I do not regret this purchase at all. I love how it has a hood in the back, and once you tuck it into like a pair of shorts or jeans, it looks really, really cute. I love this like millennial pink color as well, and I like how the sleeves are just kind of already rolled up for you. This was one of my favorite pieces from this bag. I feel like this is another dress. So, actually a skirt. Oh, I hope it fits you guys. I feel like it might be a little bit small for me, but this is a size medium. It's a winter skirt and it's got like ruffles in the front of it. This is super cute. The price of this is $120. So I hope this fits me. I have a bigger butt, so who knows? If not, I can give it away to someone that would want it. But I'm gonna try this on later. If it doesn't fit, you guys will know in the video, of course. And it has really good quality. It also is lined on the inside, so at least it has protection. Love that. I ended up pairing this skirt with a black cropped sweater, which is one of my favorite looks from this whole bag. The only thing was that the skirt is a little bit tight on me. It still fits, but it could be a better fit. I might give it away, maybe to one of you guys or something, so if you're interested, just let me know. And then the last piece I have here, oh yeah, this is just a turtleneck sweater actually. The sweater is $110, so this is super cute. I think it's like mostly like a sweater dress actually. I can just wear leggings with it or biker shorts for winter time. It's so cute, and I love the color on it too. Another favorite from this bag, which I'll be wearing a lot. I probably will wear this piece the most out of everything from here, aside from the other pink sweater that I got. This is just like a nice sweater dress that I could wear every single day. The material is really good and I love it. Yeah, also this is a free size and it's in the color pink. So this, I think this whole line mostly has like neutral tones to it, and I think it's pretty expensive. I checked the prices. I got this in La Ferrette and they only had a lucky bag just for today. It was special only, and again, it's only usually during Christmas, so the fact that I was able to get this was crazy because usually, again, it's only during the holidays. So I was very lucky to go ahead and get this. Kind of in a rush because I have to go out soon. I don't have that much time to film, but I hope that you guys like this haul from me and also me trying on the outfits from this lucky bag. I'll go ahead and put the total on the screen as well and let you guys know what the price is, but it's a lot of money for what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and edit some more Japan vlogs for you guys really, really soon, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, bye! I've also got my thrifting video that I did in Koenji and Shima Kitazawa coming up next. And if you guys want to see me basically try out some more Style Nanda 3CE makeup that I got from there this trip, or Japanese products, which I got a lot of, surprisingly, please let me know down in the comments below, and thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. Bye guys!